Hey everyone. So today I just wanted to do a 2-year review of my Dolphin Cayman automatic pool cleaner. I bought this back in March of 2023 and I use it to clean my 15 by 30 saltwater pool. So this pretty much since I bought it, I've left it in the pool cleaning every day, every week for 2 years. I remember when I read the instructions, it mentioned you should take it out, but honestly, I haven't done that. And really, it's held up very well and it still performs very well. And in this video, I'm just going to kind of go over some of the things I like about it, some things that I'm not too fond of, and then whether or not I would buy it again. So on to some of the things that I love about the robot. Really, it's been reliable within these 2 years. It's been keeping my pool clean for the past 2 years. I haven't had any major malfunctions or electrical issues or anything. And then it's just really simple to use. And I'll show in a later video on how easy it is to set up the schedule and use. And as you can see here, it has no issues climbing walls. It can easily do that. All right, so I figured I'd come here and give you guys a close up of the vacuum. I'm after 2 years. So as I mentioned before, this vacuum has pretty much been submerged in the water since I bought it 2 years ago, and it looks pretty good. The sun's kind of done a number to it. I'll show you under here. So one thing that happened was there used to be these black flaps that were right here, and those pretty much just kind of wore away. They're not here anymore. It did leave a lot of like black rubber on my drain covers. I was kind of confused at what that was at first, and then I realized that it was the rubber from these flaps here. But yeah, I mean, these flaps held up really well. The brush here held up really well. The rollers are doing really good as well. So really impressed with the build quality. Everything's still working. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys was just how easy it is to clean the vacuum. So you just open up the lid there, and then inside you have the filter, and you can just see all the stuff that this thing picks up. It is awesome. I never have to go and pretty much clean the pool at all. I just drop this in and turn it on, and that's it. And then I clean the filter about every week or every other week. So we'll go ahead and clean this out. All right, so to clean it, you really just need a hose. Um, and one cool thing about this, it has this lid here. You can open that up completely, just like that. And then you just grab the hose and rinse it out. All right, so that's that. Filter's all cleaned out. Then you just drop it right back in here. You can wash this stuff off as well. Just drop it right back in, close the lid, and that's it. It is ready to go. Next up, I just wanted to talk about some of the cons that I found with this robot over the 2 years. The first one being the cord. So oftentimes this cord will end up getting wrapped up and tangled up quite a bit, and then the robot can't really travel as far anymore. So I find that I have to take it out of the water probably every 2 weeks or so, and I just have to untangle the cord and straighten it out, and then throw it back in. And I usually time that around the time when I need to clean the filter, so it works out great. Another thing that I kind of mentioned already is that these rubber flaps they pretty much disintegrated, and I ended up taking them out. I don't really think it messes with the cleaner at all. It seems to still be cleaning fine, so I don't really see the need to buy replacements for this at this time. Maybe someday, but these did just completely fall apart and they were not usable anymore. Um, so that's that. Another thing is Another thing is these tracks, they did pop off twice. So, I mean, I'd say that's pretty good, considering I've been using this almost every day for the past 2 years. So these tracks did pop off, and you really just need to put the track. I mean, it's not hard to pretty much put back on. Then last thing is this cap has popped off one time, but other than that, I mean, it's really simple to pop back on, and you'll just notice it laying in the pool and pop it right back on. It's not difficult. So really, I mean, pretty small cons in my opinion. Really nothing major. It's been running great. So besides cleaning the filter, really the only other thing you need to do is the control box here is you can set this up to run every day for a week. And then after that week, it's going to turn off. So every week I come out here and I'll turn it back on. And then you press this one time and then it's lit up for one. So that means it's going to run every day, um, each day. And then once it runs 7 times that week, each day, then this will turn off, and then you'll just need to repeat that process. They're really simple. I usually keep this tucked away under my grill. I remember when I first got this, the instructions uh, mentioned that you shouldn't leave this exposed to the sunlight. Probably be fine if you do, but I just keep this under my grill, which is not here right now. And then I have it plugged in to a wall outlet. So you here to a wall outlet on the house, and then that goes into a outdoor box which has a surge protector in it. And I'll actually leave a link to that product in the description. Definitely recommend that box. I've opened it a couple times recently, and it is bone dry, so no water's getting in. And yeah, definitely recommend that. So besides cleaning the filter and resetting this control box every week, um, really all you have to do for it. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Really, in conclusion, despite the few minor issues that I mentioned, this has been a rock solid pool cleaner, and I would definitely recommend this pool cleaner, and I would definitely buy it again. Um, and if you are interested in this pool cleaner, I will leave a link for that to Amazon in the description below. Then also, I created a video of my pool and how it was built, kind of in a time lapse. And if you're interested in that, I'll have a link in the description for that as well. And really, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you. And thanks for watching, everyone.